What we're about to do now is modulate the beam in the storage ring, which is all these little bunches of electrons that go round and round at 13 million times a second. Oh my God, we're trying to modulate the beam amplitude, this sound, which is literally a recording of one of the cicadas out the front of the facility out there, because it made such a high-pitched sound. It sounded like what might be going on in there. And somehow Martin's he's down in the ring. He seems to have turned this into that, so it looks like it might actually work. As I was saying, we're about to inject into the storage ring a variety of acoustic sounds, because I got the idea that when it all works, it's called the synchrotron tune. You get the right sort of balance of, you know, electric magnetic fields and amplitudes and wavelengths and frequencies, infinitely complex. So I thought I'll kind of screw around with it a bit and basically insert sounds like grasshopper, a cicada from out the front in the car park, and you know, a bit of local interaction.
So I mean, we should see the side bands come up here if we start shaking the beam with the betatron frequency. That's the idea?
Yes. Okay. Yes. And then, is it possible to record that spectrally or something?
Yes, so that was the bonus here.
Yeah.
And then this is as much data as you can record as far as I know.
Because that spectral data I can then turn back into a sound wave, which is, I guess, the sort of idea behind this.
Okay. That's the input signal you're looking at.
Yeah.
So is that it, or is that just the normal?
So it's actually
it's a weird oscillation. Kind of chaotic.
And so in the audio, it's 5,000 hertz through it, and we're sampling it at 100 times a second. So that's going to make it 500 kilohertz.
We've got an oscilloscope. It's really hooking up to the sound wave now, by the looks of it. And then it just has to get put into the kicker magnets, which expand the actual beam like that, like a cricket. And we'll see, hopefully, taken from there over here, we'll be able to get the sort of cricket signature coming up in there, the harmonics of the actual beam itself as it's going through the ring at 13 million times a second. So it's kind of like a supersonic cicada.
So,
I mean, if we're looking here, just put this one over there.
Martin, you want to look on the second or the oh, I've lost the beam. I've lost the beam.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
It worked.
It worked. Hey, I killed it. Really?
Congratulations, your first beam dump.
Hey! That's a winner. I dumped the beam. Oops. That's not the most action-packed kind of...
It's pretty impressive, the IR.
It's not like Star Wars or anything.
so that's the lower side band for the horizontal chip.
It's centered on, it's centered on 1.5. Yeah, copy.
Wait.
Don't turn it off just yet, man. Can you leave the thing on for a minute, please? That's it. It's open. Done. Save. It doesn't matter where it goes. Save.
So far now?
No, I don't.
It's gone.
Can I leave one?
It's gone.
We wanted you to leave it on while we save.
No, but let's have a look at the trace.
Wait, let me,
Can you
The
say
beam likes the cicadas.
likes cicadas actually?
Yeah,
save that trace?
Yeah, save the trace as not a screenshot.
We sampled at such a rate that that highest frequency drone is identical to the natural frequency, or one of the natural frequencies of the beam. So so that's why the peak pops up.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Because
so
it's
really
sort of
that
in
peak,
tune with the...
if we were able to see it fast enough, that peak would be going hopping up and down at the pulsing.
Yes.
Red is on and
on,
blue is off.
Yeah, and blue is off.
So when you turn it
So
on,
X and Y are both go.
Yeah, you can see it pulsing.
Well, you've
See,
got
that's-
plenty.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Hey,
And then,
cicada in the mix.
yeah, that's it.
I guess it's interesting because it's basically my last day here, and now I can seriously reflect on what I've been doing. I mean, I've been here almost 3 months now, and it's like I understand it a lot better, and I'm not totally freaked out by it when I used to walk in here and be like, oh my god, what is this? It's sort of a lot more familiar now, but ultimately it's still just as mysterious. And here I am, and I look at it, and I can imagine all these things going around, and sort of circadian rhythms in there, and different types of things coming out. I've seen the different types of energy. I still don't know, really. Like, I've been so immersed in this world and I'm dreaming about it every bloody night, like synchrotron going around in my brain. I guess, and doing this kind of like pseudo-scientist sort of almost method acting, you know, me and the scientists. So I've got a real feel, at least, for how they see it and appreciate it and understand it. Yeah, ultimately, I mean, obviously I'm not a scientist, thank the gods for that. And yeah. I don't know, let's get a coffee.